Click on the link in your mail. You are taken to the Airmeet platform. If required, provide the necessary permissions to access your mic and camera. Click the Join Event button. Click Join Backstage. Click Go Backstage. Now you are backstage. The audience cannot hear or see you, but you can talk to the host who will be conducting the session. You should know that you can share your screen by clicking the Share Screen button. You can also share a PDF file, from which you can present. You can't share a PowerPoint file directly, but of course, you can have one on screen and select the Share Screen option. As the session is about to start, you will see a countdown. Once the session starts, the audience will be able to see and hear you. At this stage, the host may decide to go backstage and leave the stage to you. Anyone off stage cannot be heard. If the hosts want to communicate with you privately, they can use the chat channel. This chat channel is also available to you at all times to talk to the people backstage.